is Roxana from Southwark Children and Family Center. How are you today? I hope you are well. And also you are getting ready for craft with my colleague, okay? She's going to show you how to make your own flower. All right? Get creative, okay, children? And have fun. Bye.
Hello children, my name is Aljona and today I'm going to show you how to make a flower from the lollipop sticks and cupcake cases. All what we need is green piece of paper, glue stick, cupcake cases, cotton wool, scissors to cut out our leaves, lollipop sticks and felty pen stick. So what we're going to do, first we're going to start from the lollipop stick. We're going to color in with the green. This is going to be a stem of a flower. Let's do it. Just color in nicely. Green, oh, everywhere, yeah? That's it. Let's make green. Here we go. Should be something like that. Our next step, we're going to pick a cupcake case. So I've got yellow here. It can be any color if you have. It can be white, it doesn't matter. So, and we're going to stick on, put a glue, and we're going to stick on lollipop stick. Here we go. Our next step, we're going to put glue inside or put in cupcake, and we're going to stick the cotton wool. Here we go. What is remaining, children? What do you think? Yes, remaining is the leaves. The leaves we're going to cut out from the green piece of paper. If you don't have green piece of paper, don't worry. You can have white. You just draw in leaf, color in green, and cut it out. So now I'm going to cut my leaves for my flower. Here we go. One is done. Now we're going to do another one. If you need help cutting out, you can ask your grown-ups to help you. Yeah. Now I've done it. It's two. 1 and 2. And we're going to stick it. Put some glue here. Oh, 1. And let's do it another one. Here we go. And our flower is ready. Here we go, children. Also, you can decorate your flower with the felty pens, like I did here inside. Put some dots. Maybe you can do some stars. It's whatever you like. Also, I can give you an idea. If you have a tissue paper at home, you can scrunch it, tissue paper, different colors, and put in the middle in here. I hope you enjoy, children. Bye.